Good morning, Acworth. Welcome to the Acworth Live News. Today is March 26th, 2020. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. The weather today is supposed to be gorgeous. It is going to be a high of 74 degrees, a low of 52 degrees, and it's currently 52 degrees out there right now. I hope you guys can get outside and enjoy this beautiful spring day. Let's go ahead and check out our great digital learners that were sent to me yesterday. Let's get there right now. All right. Here are some great digital learners doing the right things online and turning in some great work. These were submitted by Miss Chafin in 3rd grade and Miss Stevens in 5th grade. Teachers, if you guys want to give a shout out to any great digital learners in your class, send me their names by email and I will make sure that they get on our shout out page. So Carter D, Aubrey S, Nganga K, Maya D, Ethan M, Chloe B, Grace B, and Wyatt B. You guys are doing an amazing job learning online, and we recognize you on our shout out page. Our announcements for today. Remember that Ms. Jones sent out an email to all math team members. Please respond to that email if you have an interest in doing an online math competition. She would love to get that going, and I think that's awesome. The counselor's blog is updated for resources. Thank you so much, Ms. Rosen and Ms. Haskett, for all you're doing for our students. If you are in need of any counseling resources, please connect with the Acworth Elementary Counselor's blog. Ongoing, we have specials on the Flipgrid. The code is Acworth Specials. Remember, you can get to that by any device by downloading the app Flipgrid, or you can get there by going to flipgrid.com. We have daily art with Miss Peck at 8:30 a.m. on Twitter, and her handle is hashtag or at artiste4you, and she's doing a lot of great drawings every morning. Participate in that if you love to draw. The Daily Research Challenge is ongoing at my blog at Acworth Learning Commons. All you need to do is Google Acworth Learning Commons and my blog should pop up. The Research Challenge today and this week is about on this day in history. So today we have a famous poet's birthday, and we also have a famous scientist's birthday. Spirit Week on Twitter is ongoing at Team Acworth. If you would like to participate, download a picture on Twitter and a hashtag Team Acworth so that we can see it. Today's birthdays on March 26th, Max D, Xavion D, and Aziri P. Happy birthday, you guys. You've got a great day to celebrate today. Okay, it is going to be time for our Acworth Warrior of the Day. We've got 3 people that have been chosen this week: Janine G, Michaela P, and Max U. It is time to go ahead and choose another Warrior of the Day. So here is our box. Shake it up. All right, here we go. Oh, another nomination by Kathy Jones. This is a student in Miss Southall's class, Carlos Diaz. That is so awesome. Carlos is in 5th grade, and Miss Jones nominated you, Carlos, for achieving academically. And the reason is Carlos always works so hard in math lab. He tries new strategies and wants to have more challenging work so he can get it even better at math. Carlos, that is fantastic. I hope that you are doing the math challenges on the Flipgrid that Miss Jones has posted. That is awesome. Carlos, congratulations. I'm going to give you a round of applause. I miss seeing you in car rider line too. You guys, that is going to do it, I think, for today's news show. Hope you guys have a thinking Thursday and that you are always trying something new on these online days. You guys get out there and enjoy some fresh air too. Don't spend too much time in front of your screen. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.